right here. You don't know. They got it so you don't want to do it. You don't get
Hey, Buggsters, check out my new trick balloon.
Let's see.
I gotta get some get these clothes.
Show us.
You see this ordinary balloon?
Yeah.
Well, watch this.
Look, Mom, watch it.
Wow.
Watch it, Mom.
Six. How did you do that? That's awesome, Jamie. Can I try?
You don't do that.
What's all the excitement about, Buggsters? Let us in on the fun, too.
Jamie has a trick balloon. It sticks to Maria's hair.
Well, I have an explanation for that trick balloon.
You do?
Yes, I do. By rubbing that balloon on your wool shirt, you charge that balloon with static electricity. Everything contains electrical charges. You can't see them, but you can rub them off one thing and onto something else. Let's make some more magic and explore static electricity with Uncle Huggabug, Auntie Bumble, and Oopsie-Daisy.
Yeah!
Grace and Sally, why don't you press the keys on Cassidy the computer and move Miss Mouse?
Sure!
Great!
Got you guys all over here.
Pressing keys on the keyboard, play a game, spell your name. Oh, I love the computer. It's just like a tutor. Play along, can't go wrong. I love the computer. Learn your numbers, learn your letters, move the mouse, build a house. Oh, I love the computer. It's just like a tutor. Play along, can't go wrong. I love the computer. A new surprise before your eyes. With a click, take your pick. Oh, I love the computer. It's just like a tutor. Play along, can't go wrong. I love the computer. Play along, can't go wrong. I love the computer.
Are we ready?
Yeah! Huggabug Club! Huggabug Club! Huggabug Club! Auntie Bumble! Oopsie-Daisy!
Yahoo! And how do you do, you silly scientists? I'm rootin' tootin' raring to go!
Buzz! 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 The Huggabug Club is buzzing with magnetism and static electricity! Oh, goody-goody gumdrops! Static electricity? What else can we uncover? Let's be silly scientists and see what we discover! S-C-I-E-N-C-E! Science is such fun for me! Hooray! Oopsie-daisy!
Science is everywhere, in everything we do. Invisible forces are at work all around you. Strange things can happen to
such fun!
It's the latest craze!
Strange things can happen to things ordinary. Science is extraordinary. Chemistry, light and sound, gravity, up and down, in the sky, on the ground. Science is all around. Strange things can happen to things ordinary. Science is extraordinary.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's experiment with nature's magic. Everyone, take a balloon.
Oh, Huggabug! I can't wait to see this experiment! I'm buzzing with excitement! Buzz, buzz, buzz! Oh, Uncle Huggabug, may I be your assistant?
Of course you may, Oopsie-daisy. I'll also need Miss Audrey and Miss Judy.
At your service, Uncle Huggabug.
Miss Audrey, will you please take the pieces of paper and spread them out on the table?
Certainly.
And Miss Judy, would you take a teaspoon of sugar and place it on the table?
Of course.
Ooh, I love balloons! Buzz, buzz, buzz!
All right, Buggsters, take your balloon and rub it on your neighbor's back. It helps if you're wearing wool. Now, when I say abracadabra, put the balloon over the pieces of paper. Abracadabra!
To be successful, I want my family to eat well.
Cool!
Wow! We have a whole opportunity right here. I have
That's like
supporters
magic.
that will support
All right, now place the balloon over the sugar.
If my brother come out,
Abracadabra!
open a store. I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to support it. So,
Hey, the balloon picked up the sugar. Look, it is magic. It seems like magic,
and then
but
you
it's
get
science.
rumors that
That's right. Rubbing the balloon on your clothing charged it with electricity. The sugar and the paper were pulled onto the balloon by small electrical charges. Electricity is a very mysterious source of power. Current electricity runs the lights in your home.
I know another kind of electricity. Lightning is electricity.
That's right, Grace. Thunder and lightning are also nature's magic.
Thunder, thunder in the sky. Makes a big boom sound. Thunder, thunder in the sky. We hear
Miss Audrey and Miss Judy, I like science. Can we go to a science museum someday?
How about this day? Well, what are we waiting for, you silly scientists? Let's make some magic!
Huggabug Club! Huggabug Club! Huggabug Club!
Well, Buggsters, we are at the Museum of Science and Industry. Is everybody ready to explore? Like lightning, doesn't it? This device was man-made. It was invented by a scientist named Tesla. It's called the Tesla coil. Here we have 3.5 million volts of electricity right in front of us. But lightning could be 300 million volts of electricity. Jamie's really working up a sweat to get the electricity he needs to turn on the TV. This is a bike generator. The faster he pedals, the faster the magnet spins inside the generator, and the more electricity he makes. This radio is powered by the light from the sun, by solar power. Every time Alex blocks the light, the music stops. But when the sunlight hits the cells in the solar panels, the music starts again. That was super cool.
I like that bike. Me too. I like the solar radio. We like the Tesla coil. Yeah.
Now, let's have some magnetic fun of our own. We are going fishing.
Fishing? But we don't have any fish.
Now, look.
We don't have any fishing poles. Wow.
We do now.
These are special fishing rods. They have magnets at the end.
Yes, and the foil fish have metal clips at the end to attract the magnets.
You get a stick and I'll get a string.
Honey, honey,
You get a stick and I'll get the string.
babe, babe.
You get a stick and I'll get the string. And we'll go fishing for some fishy things.
Honey, oh baby mine.
Tie the string right to the stick.
Honey, honey,
Tie the string right to the stick.
babe, babe.
This fishing pole sure is fine. We're gonna have us a real good time.
Honey, oh baby mine.
Put a steel clip on your foil fish.
Honey, honey,
Put a steel clip on your foil fish.
babe, babe.
Put a steel clip on your foil fish. These little fish don't make a tasty dish.
Honey, oh baby mine.
Gonna learn about magnetic fields.
Honey, honey,
Gonna learn about magnetic fields.
babe, babe.
Gonna learn about magnetic fields. See how a magnet attracts to steel.
Honey, oh baby mine.
get a stick and I'll get a string.
Honey, honey,
You get a stick and I'll get a string.
hey, hey.
You get a stick, I'll get a string. We'll go fishing for some fishy things.
Honey, oh baby mine.
Yeehaw!
Let's go fishing. Fishing is fun, especially with these magnetic fish. How does it work?
The paper clip is made of metal. The magnet attracts the metal and they stick together. That's called a magnetic field.
I get it. The magnet is on the end of the string. That pulls up the metal clip attached to the fish. And that's how we'll catch all fish. Hey, I think I got one. I got a shark. I got a barracuda. I got a swordfish. I got a paper clip. I got a wave. There sure are many different kinds of fish in the ocean.
Many fish live in the sea.
Some are small, some big as me.
Fish have fins, fish have tails, and slimy skin that's full of scales. 20,000 kinds of fish or more live in the ocean. And if I had a special wish, I'd watch them all in motion. A big fish eats a smaller one who feeds on plants grown in the sun. Flounder, grouper, tuna fish. For me, they make a tasty dish. 20,000 kinds of fish or more live in the ocean. And if I had a special wish, I'd watch them all in motion. 20,000 kinds of fish or more live in the ocean. And if I had a special wish, I'd watch them all in motion.
What else can we do with this pretend ocean?
Well, silly scientists, now that we're finished with our fishing game, why don't we use this water to conduct another experiment? Yes, why don't you Buggsters see what objects you can find here in the Huggabug Club, and we will discover which ones sink and which ones float.
All right! Yeah, let's do it! We found walnuts. We found rocks. I found the balloon. We found a metal car.
Did you ever stop to wonder why a rubber ducky floats?
A big beach ball and a toy sailboat.
What about a raw potato?
Did you ever stop to think?
Try some silly science in the kitchen sink. Sinkers and floaters, it's a fun game. Sinkers and floaters, such a silly name. Play, sink and float and learn and play. Be a silly scientist, discover every day. Did you ever stop to wonder why a rubber ducky floats? A big beach ball and a toy sailboat. What about a raw potato?
Did you ever stop to think?
Try some silly science
In the kitchen sink.
Sinkers and floaters, it's a fun game. Sinkers and floaters, such a silly name. Play, sing and float and learn and play. Be a silly scientist, discover every day.
right, Jamie, you're first. Would you please throw your balloon into the water? Bugsters, what does the balloon do? Now let's discover what the middle car will do.
It's a sinker. Awesome. I'll rescue it now.
Kim and Maria, why don't you throw the rocks in the water now? Okay, can you Bugsters guess what Kelly and Grace's walnuts will do?
Will they sink or will they float? That is the question.
I think the walnuts will.
Well, let's see.
They float! We were right.
Balloons, fishing, sinking and floating. Silly science is rootin' tootin' terrific.
I like being a silly scientist.
Oh, goody goody gumdrops. We sure did plant some learning seeds.
Take it slow, you will succeed. First you learn the alphabet, then you read. Play, learn and grow, play. Learn and grow, plant a learning seed. Reading books will make you smart. Have somebody read to you, that's a start. Play, learn and grow, play. Learn and grow, plant a learning seed. Learning numbers 1, 2, 3. Counting up to 10 can be easy. Play, learn and grow, play. Learn and grow, plant a learning seed. Learning is fun and soon you'll be counting and reading all you see. Play, learn and grow, play. Learn and grow, plant a learning seed. Play, learn and grow, play. Learn and grow, plant a learning seed.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. We learned so much as we played today.
Well, Bugsters, this day has been downright dandy. Let me ask you a question. If I were a magnet and you were steel, what would happen?
We will be put together like this.
Those are some power-packed hugs. In fact, those hugs had more power than a power plant.
Silly science sure is fun. It's great spending time with all our friends.
Friends forever?
That's it, too boring for me. Here, baby. And move that out the way. And hey. Your hands get white before you touch my phone. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.